Hi there, this is Dave Warner from Warner Epoxy. Today I'm going to show you how to mix the epoxy correctly. What happens if you under-mix epoxy, it will not harden. You have to mix it long enough to get it mixed thoroughly, otherwise it will not harden. It will look the same, it just will not harden. And make sure you read the directions on your epoxy, make sure what ratio to mix it. Today we will be mixing our ratio 1:1. We're going to start out with our hardener first, our B, and we're going to add equal amounts, and we're going to add like 20 ounces of each one today. Alright, there's the hardener. Set it on the floor so I don't mix up and put the same one in twice. I've done that before. Did not work. When you're figuring out how much epoxy to use, we use 3 ounces per square foot of surface area that you're doing. So if you're doing 1 square foot, you do 3 ounces of epoxy. All right. This is one thing I do accurately measure. We don't accurately measure the paints, but now when you mix, make sure you hold your container because it will spin out and you will have epoxy everywhere. Plunge it all the way to the bottom, start it slow, and then speed it up. Lift it off the bottom so you're not on the bottom so you don't poke a hole through your container, and you'll mix it for 2 minutes. I'm about halfway done. Now I'm going to go a little bit slower and I'm going to mix the sides and the bottom, make sure we get it all. Alright, we mixed it for 2 minutes for good measures. I'm going to do the edges one more time on slow speed, all the way to the bottom. That is the correct way on how to mix epoxy. Now if you don't have one of these mixer paddles, you can get it from my link below. I got an Amazon link below. Click on that and that'll take you to these paddles. And if you got to mix it by hand, do it for at least 10 minutes. Dave Warner from Warner Epoxy, have a good day.